Şerik şerik yenten Şeyin rikbi yenten
Dashin lop chutulu Beta me binorbu Shirik yenten ino Dashin lop chutulu Beta me binorbu Shirik yenten
Zangpola to all the listeners across the country. This is Karma Dema from Jigme Namgyal Lower Secondary School under Thim Thom. This radio program is to reach to all the children across the nation. The lesson for today is for class 1 on the topic capacity. By the end of this lesson, each of you should be able to compare the capacity, write the capacity of the objects. Turn to page number 20 of your book. Now first we will look at what capacity is. Okay, now what capacity is, or we can say what is capacity. Capacity describes the amount a container can hold. So if I repeat again, capacity describes the amount a container can hold. So I'll give you examples to give you a clear picture of capacity. So example number 1. Okay, let's say I have 2 pots, one big pot and one small pot. If I pour water in both the pots, which pot will have more water and which pot will have less water? Big pot can hold more water than the small pot, so we can say that the big pot has larger capacity and the small pot has smaller capacity. Did you get this? The bigger pot will hold more water and we can say it has larger capacity. The smaller pot holds less water and we can say it has smaller capacity. Example number 2. Now I have 2 similar cups. Okay, 2 cups of same size. If I fill in the water in both the cups, what can you say about the capacity of the cup? Do you think that one cup will hold more water and another will hold less water? No, right? As 2 cups are of same size, they will hold the same amount of water, so we can say the same amount or the same capacity, right? Because they are holding the same amount of water. So, as I have given you 2 examples, I think you are clear with the word capacity. So, let's move on with activity 1. Activity 1, you have to compare the pairs of containers given below and write a larger capacity, smaller capacity or the same capacity for each pairs. First one is given as an example for you. In the box you can see 2 glasses, 2 pictures of glasses of same size, and it says both the glasses hold same amount, right? We can say both the glasses hold same amount, or you can write same capacity because both the glasses are same, or we can say same size, so they can hold same amount. Similarly, you have other pictures there. Okay, so what can you see there? Yes, you can see a blue bucket and a mug. Okay, are they of same size? Yes, they are of different size. They are not same. Now you have to compare the capacity of bucket and a mug. Now which container has larger capacity and which container has smaller capacity? You write the answers in the given space. You will be given few minutes. Okay, I think you have completed your work. Who wants to share your answer? Okay, thank you, Gyaltso. Your answer is correct. The bucket has larger capacity and the mug has smaller capacity. Very good, you are doing good. When I look around at you, you all look very tired listening to me. So, let's have a brain break. Okay? When I sing or when I say Da bin purururu, okay, you all have to say Ngaya pudo sa. Are you ready, children? Okay, let's have our brain break. Da bin purururu, children. Ngaya pudo sa. Okay, so let's move on with the activity 2. In activity 2, you have to write the capacity of the given objects in the space provided. The first one is given as an example for you. There you can see a kettle and 5 mugs. It means if you are going to fill a kettle with the water, it can hold 5 mugs of water. Or we can say that the capacity of kettle is 5 mugs. It clearly shows that kettle can only hold 5 mugs of water. For B and C, you have to turn to page number 21 of your book. Did you turn to page number 21? Okay, then look at the picture. Then you have to count and write the correct number in the space provided. I will give you 1 minute as you don't have much to write there. Are you done, children? Okay, then let's talk about your answers. B. Can you all read the sentence given in B? Look at the picture. What can you see? You can see a rectangular box, and in the rectangular box you can see cubes kept there. So, how many cubes are there in the rectangular box? Yes, 12 cubes. Okay, 12 cubes. Then we can say capacity of the rectangular box is 12 cubes. Look at C. In the basket, you can see beautiful eggs there, colorful eggs. So, how many eggs can you see in the basket? Yes, you can see 8 eggs. Wow, you're doing a good job. Before we end our lesson, you have a question to check how much you learned from today's lesson. The question is, draw 2 objects that holds the same capacity. Okay, you have to draw 2 objects that holds the same capacity. Please don't forget to do your work. Okay, you have to do the given work as well as you have to reread what we have done today. If you do not read, then I don't think you will remember our lesson today. Okay, children, you all are doing great, so I will give you a cheers here. So let's have rocket cheers. Boom. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.
sherik sherik yenten sheyin rikpi yenten
dashin lop chu chulu betha me be norbu shirik yenten ino dashin lop chu chulu